Whatever method of survey creation you choose, you'll be able to access the question bank from this Designed survey page. Look for Question Bank in the toolbar here and click. Welcome to your survey question goldmine. This library contains hundreds of questions designed by our survey experts. The wording, answer choices, and even the question type are all optimized for unbiased, actionable responses. The heavy lifting is already done for you. You can browse by category or use the search bar. Let's say you're a CX professional gathering customer feedback. Click on Customer Feedback to see what questions are available. Here we have 250 questions. Let's narrow that down. Add customer service into the search bar. Want to preview answer choices? Click the drop-down beside Show Answers. Click on any tag and the search results will be filtered by that tag. For an even more precise search, just click Filter. You'll be able to scroll through dozens of tags to find exactly what you need. Sometimes templates appear in your search results. Each template leverages questions designed to work together for specific use cases, like employee engagement or customer satisfaction. You can add them all at once or cherry-pick the ones that fit your survey. You can see here that some questions have customizable drop-down fields, like company. You can easily adjust these to your needs. Ready to add questions? Simply click the plus icon in the top left of any question. To go back to your survey design, just click Add Question. Looking for a faster way to find questions? Click Add Content at the bottom, select Question, and start typing. SurveyMonkey will automatically suggest relevant, expertly designed options from the question bank as you type. We've got 5 suggested recommendations appearing. Let's select Overall, are you satisfied or dissatisfied with your experience using our product? Notice how this version reduces bias compared to our previous wording. SurveyMonkey even populates answer choices automatically. You can customize certain aspects of this question by clicking Edit. Here you can edit the product name or even the answer choices. But if you edit the core question wording or the answer choices, it can impact the question's accuracy and remove its benchmark capability. Don't worry though, the system will warn you, so you can always make an informed decision. Before we wrap up, here are some essential tips for getting the most out of the question bank. Look for those benchmark icons. These questions help you compare your results to industry standards and are incredibly valuable for proving ROI. Global benchmarks are free, and if you need industry-specific comparisons, those are available as an add-on. Tip number 2. For enterprise users, the custom question bank is a game changer. Admins can create organization-specific question libraries that ensure brand consistency and compliance. This means your legal team can pre-approve questions, your brand team can ensure consistent language, and your research team can standardize methodologies across all departments. And that's the question bank in action. You've just learned how to tap into expert certified questions that'll save you time and improve your data quality.